On me, party, party in free. Live that dream, rule breaker. Make it sing with the baker. Beat it up, they better take ya. Knock it out, cause you know they gonna hate ya. So give me that good love. Be the one to give you more than a good fuck. Yeah, I'm Mr. Work. Now watch me blow it up. I got a feeling that you're gonna make my heart speak to you, baby. And I got a feeling that you're gonna really like me once I'm done with you. Blow up insane. You gon' make me blow up, get over here. Blow up so far.
Okay, my camera is now on. I'm about to start. Let's go. I got my phone right here, even though I'm not gonna answer it. It's May the 31st. It's Thursday, May the 31st, and it's 11:30 exactly when I'm recording this video in the morning. Eastern time in Atlanta, Georgia, where you kick them southern biscuits and sausage and stuff. Whoa, I just seen a huge bird. Why I thought like I seen an eagle. That would have killed my head, like, for the rest of the day. You know, I thought about eating. That just would have just killed me. But, anyway, neither here or there. I'm so proud of you guys, the Ciara fans. You know what I'm saying? We have been going so hard for Ciara the past 7, 8 years. I don't know how long it's been, but it's been a very long time, seem like. And one thing I can say about the Ciara fans, C-Squad, is that no matter what people say on Twitter, it's like an army go on when, you know, someone talks bad about Ciara. Even if I say something that's so real, so straight to the point, so blunt, I still get attacked. And I'm even in the Ciara lane with the fans, and I'm running with them, and they like tripping me up and shit. I'm like, okay. But anyway, they're just so supportive, and I really want to shout out C-Squad because trending topic every week, you know, we find some way to get Ciara on the trending topics, and I think that's so special because a lot of artists don't do that for their artists, you know what I'm saying? Or not as much, or not as consistently. I did say it correctly. Well, I feel like I've had a drink and I haven't, and it's only, what, 11:30 a.m. But anyway, let's get straight to the point. Ciara's movie, That's My Boy, that she's going to be a part of with Adam Sandler is coming out June the 15th or the 16th. I'm not sure what day, but just go to the movie theaters and, you know what I'm saying, ask them. Because, you know, Joe Work don't know, but it is the 15th or the 16th. I'm not sure. But I'm so excited for her with this movie because even if she's in this movie 15 minutes, which everybody's saying she's in it longer, it's just a good thing to be in a movie that's debuting in the theaters and with someone's name like Adam Sandler. And the fact that this movie has been getting a lot of buzz on the internet and just period in the movie world, I think it's a dope thing, period, for Ciara to be a part of this. Ciara was on the Ustream, I guess, yesterday on the MTV Ustream with them as well, and she was talking about how she's excited about her new album and her new single, and the name of her new album, if you've been under a rock, the name of her new album is One Woman Army. And her new single is supposed to drop very soon as well, and that is titled Sweat. Now, let me give my very honest opinion about this. Very honest opinion. I love this album title. You probably expected me to say something different, but I love this album title for so many reasons. Let me explain, because I'm not just going to say I love it and that's it. There are so many reasons why I love this album title, because I really feel it fits Ciara. Reason why, number one, Ciara has went through pure hell. She has been in hell, feel like, burned, everything. Like, everything you can think of. Fucking tornadoes, hurricanes. She done been under the water, drowning. The ship has tanked. Everything. You know, I feel like she has went through hell as far as the music industry and just life, period, as far as her ankles. I mean, even my ankle. If I could show y'all, like, my ankle is still healing. Because I hurt my ankle from dance rehearsals. But, her courage, her drive, her determination, her willing power, you know, that's something that don't come around with artists that's out today. And while Ciara has had, you know, probably the rough last 3 years since the evolution, I do feel this has been a humbling time for her because Ciara was already humble. That's why I like her. I mean, I don't like people that's not humble. But that's kind of why I fell in love with her as an artist, because she really was one of those around the way sweet girls. And now that I see, you know, where she has come and what she's been through, I think she's deserving of a title like that. A lot of people are saying she's not deserving of a title like that because she really haven't showed that she is a one-woman army. But maybe that's the purpose of this album, is to really show why this album is called that. But I feel like as a Ciara fan, Ciara have showed us that when her label kicked her out the door and dropped her, or during the process of them doing everything they were doing, Ciara was still having her management crew book all these different shows all across the country. Ciara was still touring and doing all these different random performances. I mean, it was random, you know, when we was going through it, was like, why is she performing here? But it all makes so much sense. And even with the music videos that she put out, she still was putting out music videos on her own budget, with her own money. Not too many artists you can say is doing that, and the ones that you do see doing that, I definitely have my hand all the way up to you, because it's a very good thing to see an artist go that hard for what they believe in. I mean, and not having label support and going through what she went through with that label, just dropping her and making her real stressed out about what she should do and the single choices and just not being on her team. You know, I feel like that in itself is a reason why her album should be called something like One Woman Army, because at a time, I'm sure she felt like she was the only one for herself. Like, at a time, I'm feeling like she just felt like everything she was doing was not supported. You know, I feel like if she went left, her label went right. You know, if she went forward, they were trying to pull her back. So I definitely see, and that's just one reason why, and not to go too in detail with that, but Ciara is period a hard worker. Just because she don't put out singles every month and her singles don't succeed as much as a Rihanna song or as much as a Beyonce record, you can't really compare those artists, because Rihanna, she do something differently to get sales. Beyonce is just raw talent, period. I mean, she was gone for like, what, 4 or 5 months, came back and hit it back with sold out arenas. So every artist is different, and I'm gonna say Ciara is definitely different from them, because what she do and what she put out is different, you know, from the rest of them. As much as I can say for them, it goes all different ways. But what I will say is that I'm very proud of Ciara, and her new single Sweat is coming out very soon. I believe it's coming out sooner than we think. I really do feel like it is. And a video. I do feel like this is going to be a crazy era of promotion. Sweat, I mean, I'm feeling it's going to be an up-tempo dance crazy record, which I'm excited about. I feel like Ciara should take the dance route, not the dance pop route, but the dance route, you know, the that's right route, the bang it up route, you know, all those high energy records. I think she should do that, because it's time for Ciara to really let go. Like, you know, and I feel like she's been through a lot, so, excuse me, why not let go? Let go! Ciara, you're doing a great job. I definitely support you. I mean, there's no other artist that, you know, makes me happy, you know, as you do when you come out, like, and you go hard. Like, I'm very, very proud of you. You have really went through hell. I mean, even with the industry people, I feel like Ciara has went through hell. It was a point where they had Ciara by cars dancing at the MTV Awards. I was like, what? Like, Ciara has went through hell. Ciara was outside performing their garbage cans. No. I mean, it was with NERD, but still, no. Ciara was supposed to be in the inside. It's just certain things I noticed that Ciara went through. She was so humble throughout it all. You know what I'm saying? Like, Ciara went through it. But I definitely support Ciara, Princess Harris, to the fullest, because throughout it all, like, she is still pulling. She is still pushing. She is still going forward. She is still striving for her dreams. And if that's not inspiring enough, I don't know what can motivate you guys. Because for me, seeing all what Ciara experienced, that's a lot. I mean, it is a lot. A lot. So, my love, my heart goes out to Ciara. I wish the best for Ciara. I hope that with this era, she understands exactly what she needs to do to stay on top. Like, after this, it's finna be slaying. Like, left and right. Single, left, right. Album, left, right. Dancing, left, right. And let me say this. This is totally like left field, but Ciara's dancing has always been great. Ciara dancing has always been dope. But I want Ciara to be like something she had to be doing to break her ankles or to mess up her ankles. So I'm thinking her choreography is about to be crazy. But bring that choreography to like come on with it. Bring the sandwich, bring the chips, bring the drink, bring the popcorn and hot dog. Bring that choreography, because what people is going to judge you by is by your dancing, your music, your vocals, your album sound, your energy. This theme of this album better go exactly what it says. One Woman Army, you better go in. You know, that's a very strong name. And I just think you really better live up to this hype that you have, because it's a lot of people low-key waiting around for you. It's a lot of people low-key looking and still searching, and then they search in the stipend, Ciara, where you at? People still looking, people still searching. So Ciara, keep your little blonde hair. It looks real cute. You know, I like her image this time. I said this year. I like her image. I mean, the blonde hair is really dope, and now she got a lot of way up here, like the little blonde. It's all the way up there, yeah. I mean, go black by like August, though. Don't keep that blonde by then, okay? Don't redo it. Don't put it back in. Leave that little chemical or that little lace back. Get the black hair around August, because, you know, it's real cute for this summer. It's real cute. But just don't do that, you know, like the whole year, because I'm going to be tired of blonde. Yeah. But, and go red. Do red. Red would be dope for Ciara if she do, like, all red. Even though the Rihanna stans will say something. Who gives a fuck? Anyway, on that note, I will talk to you guys later. You have watched another episode of Joe Work TV. I love you, Ciara. Stay true to your dreams. Stay true to who you are. And always know the C Squad and Joe Work is here for you. Peace. What up, LA Reid? Sign me, shawty. Better yet, just sign me. Check me out. Peace.